unboxing the Samsung Galaxy J3 Luna Pro from Straight Talk Wireless. It's a 4G LTE phone. One's off the Verizon network. It's LTE. Uses the LTE newer LTE network, not the older CDMA. So these have SIM cards, some features right there. Go open it up. There's all the plans. How to get a refill. There's the actual phone right there. So it shows us in older phones. It shows that preview of the home screen and just the texting feature. That's the model of the phone. You text the model of the phone to this number. These are all the features it has. 4G LTE. Well, it uses the Android 6.0 Marshall, which is like 3 years old now. 5-inch HD screen. Sorry for a couple. Total memory 16 gigabytes, but that also includes the operating system and Android taxes, a few gigs. And that's the Straight Talk My Account app. It's not pre-installed, so download it on Google Play. But here's a shortcut on home screen. There's a back right there. Pull it out. And there's a set this aside. There's an actual phone right there. And I think like 3 years ago they had like these things on the side. This is not removed time for activation, but I just removed it. There's the actual phone right here. There's an earpiece or receiver speaker, a facing camera. There's like sensors right there. There's the actual button, home button. Then you got these two side buttons. There's a power lock button, the volume walker. There's a back camera. There's a flash. It uses nano SIM, and this nano SIM's pre-installed, and there's a SD card slot that's being shown, but there's the speakers right here. Then go to the accessories. There's a back cover. This is a usable fun. There's a battery. I don't know how big it is. It's like 2.6 milliamp hour. This is on the manual's quick reference guide. There's this screen right here. There's a 2-piece charger. There's a adapter. It is 1.5 amp. This is it's older micro USB, not USB Type C. Go back. But there used to be a sticker that says download the free Walmart app on there. The app's not being installed, but it's not on there anymore because they moved it here, and these are the paperwork. This deactivate the phone right here. I'll show you that. And this is this right here. So let's go to here. It's also got an ad for the Walmart app. It's not pre-installed, but it's right there. And this ad for home phone. There's this thing you connect the handset thing to it.